So I have to solve two more examples on this projectile. First problem is like this. I dictate the problem. If you want, you can take this. A projectile is projected with a velocity 2 root ag, 2 into root of ag. A particle is projected with a velocity 2 into root ag, so that it just clears two walls of equal height A. It just clears two walls of equal height A, which are at a distance 2a apart. Show that the latest rectum of the path is equal to 2a and the time of passing between the walls is 2 root a by g. See what is given. Suppose a particle is projected from O and this is the path of the projectile, that is called trajectory. I take this as O and u be the velocity of projection, means the velocity with which the particle is projected is u and angle of projection is alpha. What is given here? It clears two walls of equal height A which are at a distance 2a apart. Take this as P, N, Q, M. They are equal heights. Two walls of equal height. A. It is A. This is A. Now the distance between these two is 2a. Now what you have to prove? You have to prove that you know that path of the projectile is always a parabola. Now you have to prove that this 2a becomes latest rectum of the parabola. So we have idea about the parabola. This is the parabola, standard form. Y square is 4ax. In this parabola, what is the latest rectum? Latest rectum is a perpendicular focal chord passing through the focus and it is perpendicular to the axis. Perpendicular focal chord passing through the focus. And to prove that this 2a is the latest rectum, what you have to prove? You have to prove that this is the latest rectum, because this is the PQ is the latest rectum. This you have to prove. To prove that this PQ is the latest rectum, what you have to prove is, you have to prove that the midpoint of PQ is S. Midpoint of PQ is focus. You have to prove that midpoint of PQ is focus, because midpoint of the latest rectum is focus always. Latest rectum means it is a chord passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. Because of symmetry, these two L dash S, they are equal. L dash S are equal. And if we prove that S is the midpoint of PQ is focus, then it is this PQ becomes latest rectum, or 2A becomes latest rectum. Second part is time of passing between the walls is 2 root ag. Time required to cover this distance 2a between the walls is 2 root of a by g. This you have to prove. See, the first thing is we prove that this S is the midpoint of PQ. For that we use property of this parabola. Now I consider the directrix. What is the directrix? This is the directrix. Correct? This is the directrix. And also we use property of parabola. What is the parabola? How to define? Parabola is a conic section which is said that its distance from a fixed point to a fixed line is always same. Suppose this is the point, moving point, this is the fixed point and this is the fixed line. Fixed line is called directrix, fixed point is called focus. If this point moves such that SP and PM are always equal, then we get a parabola. So how to define a parabola? What is the characteristic of parabola? SP and PM are always equal. If P is any point on the parabola, its distance from the directrix is same as its distance from focus. We use this. Say what I do is, I find the equation of the directrix. Using equation of the directrix, I prove that distance distance between directrix and point is same as distance between point and the focus. From that we find out S is the midpoint of PQ. So what is given here? Angle of projection be alpha, U is the velocity of projection, P and QM are two walls, equal distance, and NM is equal to 2a. These are given. And also velocity of projection is, take this as U. Therefore I use equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix is, for that you have to refer the derivation, U square by 2g, and it is equal to 2 root ag. It is given. Equation of the directrix. No, this is not given. Velocity of projection is, U is given as 2 root ag. So U square is 4ag upon 2g. This is equal to 4a by 2e. So equation of the directrix is 2a. What do you mean by this? Equation of the directrix is 2a means this distance is 2a. Directrix is at a height 2a above this x-axis. Equation of the directrix is 2a means this height is 2a. Now since this is Pn is a, what is this distance? It is a. Therefore distance of P from the directrix is a, and we know that it is equal to distance of P from the focus S. So what is your conclusion? Distance of P from this directrix is a. This is from using equation of the directrix. Distance of P from the directrix is a, because complete distance, this distance is 2a. Equation of the directrix. This is already given a. So this distance is a. But using property of parabola, what is the property? Distance of any point on the parabola from the directrix is same as its distance from focus. So this distance is e. Since complete PQ is 2a, S is the midpoint of PQ. This implies PQ is the latus rectum. Therefore latus rectum is 2a. First part. Now second part is time of passing between the walls. For that we prove that we use this. Also what you have to prove next part? First part is proved, latus rectum is 2a. Time of passing between n and m is, it is 2 root a by g. For that equation of the directrix or equation of the latus rectum we use. What is the equation of the latus rectum? Again you have to go to the definition, that is derivation. Equation of the latus rectum is 2u square cos square alpha upon g. This is equation of the latus rectum, but it is given as 2a. Latus rectum is 2a. Therefore can I write u cos alpha is 2 cancels. What is u cos alpha? Root of ag. Why we have written u cos alpha? U cos alpha is the velocity, horizontal velocity. It is u cos alpha, horizontal velocity. Now we use this distance is time into velocity. We use this. What is distance? S is equal to ut. Correct? Distance is time into velocity. Therefore this 2a is distance is, what is the time? Let us t be the time. We take t is the time into velocity. It is u cos alpha. Correct? u cos alpha. Therefore, suppose see the second part is t be the time required to take to travel between the two walls. T is time of passing between the two walls. Time of passing between the two walls. But we have this distance is 2a and it is given by u cos alpha, that is velocity into time. Distance is velocity into time. Velocity is obtained from this. Therefore, 2a is t into root of ag. Therefore, what do you have to prove? T is 2a upon root g, root ag. T is equal to 2a upon root ag. It is 2 root a upon root g. See, these are the important things here. What is that? Distance between directrix and the point is same as point and the focus. That is the first thing. Second, we have obtained using equation of the lattice rectum, we have obtained velocity, horizontal velocity. It is always constant, u cos alpha. And this distance 2a is 2a, and distance is velocity into time. From that we have taken the time of passing between the two walls, 2 root a by g. I think solution is clear to all of you. I solve one more problem and I conclude that topic, that is projectile. The problem is like this. A body is projected at an angle alpha. I dictate the problem. A body is projected at an angle alpha to the horizon so as to clear two walls of equal height at a distance 2a apart. Show that range is equal to 2a cot alpha by 2. What is the problem? The body is projected from a point O and so that it covers or it clears two walls of equal height. Let us take that as Pn and Qm are equal heights. Suppose A be the height, and let us take x1, x2 are the coordinates of x coordinate of PQ. x1, x2, y coordinate is fixed here. Suppose u be the velocity of projection, it makes an angle alpha with the horizontal. Now, what do you have to prove here? A body is projected at an angle alpha to the horizontal so as to clear two walls of equal height. I think this diagram is clear. Equal heights, Pn and Qm are two walls of equal height, and the distance between them is 2a. Show that the range is equal to 2a cot alpha by 2. In the diagram, what is the range? Range is, what is the range? Suppose R be the range. Let us take R is the range. Okay, R is the range. Then you have to prove that R is equal to 2a cot alpha by 2. That is the problem. Range is OA. OA is the range. You know that OA is the range, and you have to prove that is OA. We have taken that as R is 2a cot alpha by 2. Now we start with this. U be the velocity of projection, alpha be the angle of projection, and two walls are Pn and Qm, and they are at a distance 2a apart. R be the range. Now we have taken P is equal to x1a, Q is equal to x2a. What is the equation of the path? Equation of the path, that is trajectory is y is equal to x tan alpha minus u square by 2g is it cos square alpha into x square, u square by g by 2u square, g by 2u square cos square alpha into x square. This is equation of the projectile. Very first beginning of the topic, we have derived equation of the projectile. This is the equation. Now we start with this. Y is x tan alpha minus g by 2u square cos square alpha into x square. What is fixed here? Y is fixed in this equation. Y is same. Therefore, in this equation, since P and Q both lies on this trajectory given by this equation, and y coordinate is same, we substitute y is equal to a. A is equal to x tan alpha minus g by 2u square cos square alpha into x square. Simplify this, therefore gx square minus 2u square cos square alpha into tan alpha into x plus 2u square cos square alpha into a is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. Therefore gx square minus 2u square, tan is sine by cos, 1 cos cancels, 2u square sine alpha cos alpha into x plus 2u square cos square alpha into a is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in x. Take this as 1. This is 1. Now x1, x2 are roots of this equation. x1, x2 are the roots of 1. Roots of this equation. Let us take next expression as 1. This is quadratic in x. x1, x2 are roots of the equation. So we use this. x1 plus x2 is sum of the roots is, what is the sum of the roots? Minus v by a. Therefore 2u square sine alpha cos alpha divided by g. This is x1 plus x2, or it is u square sine 2 alpha upon g. This is, what is this? R. Because we know that horizontal range expression is given by u square sine 2 alpha by g. x1 plus x2 is, it is R. Let us take this as 1. But you have to prove that R is equal, what is the problem? R is equal to 2a cot alpha by 2. Is it correct? Yes, 2a cot alpha by 2. We have obtained x1 plus x2 is u square sine 2 alpha by g. How we have obtained x1 plus x2? Because x1, x2 are roots of this equation, and sum of the roots is given by minus b by a. Minus b means coefficient of x is b, minus b by a. Further, x1, x2 is c by a. x1, x2 is c by a. What is c? 2u square cos square alpha into a upon g. This is x1 into x2. Take this as 2. This as 2. I think this these steps are clear. You followed up to this 2. We have x1 plus x2, x1, x2. Now, what is x2 minus x1? See, x2 minus x1 is 2a. Correct? We have x1 plus x2 here, but x2 minus x1 is 2a. Therefore, 4a square is x2 minus x1 whole square is equal to x2 plus x1 whole square minus 4 x2 x1. Because we have to prove that this R is 2a cot alpha by 2. For that we use this. x2 minus x1 is 2a. So squaring we get this. But x2 minus x1 whole square is x2 plus x1 whole square minus 4x1 x2. What is x2 plus x1 whole square? It is r square, correct? x2 plus x1 is r minus 4 into x2 x1. 2u square cos square alpha into a upon g. But still we eliminate alpha here, eliminate u square by g here, u square by g, and how do you eliminate u square by g? Because we express this as a equation in R only. we eliminate u here. U is the variable, we eliminate u. To eliminate u, we use this. It is r square minus 4 into, what is u square here? Can I substitute u square by g is r by sine 2 alpha, 4 into, or I take 8, this u square by g from 1 is u square by g is r by sine 2 alpha into cos square alpha into a, because from 1 this u square by g is substituted. What is u square by g? R by sine 2 alpha. I think I am correct here. And simplifying, 4a square is equal to r square minus 8 into r. Now cos square alpha. What is sine 2 alpha? 2 sine alpha cos alpha into a. Correct? Therefore 4a square is r square minus 4r into 1 cos cancels, cot alpha into a. So r square minus 4 cot alpha into a into r minus 4a square is equal to 0. So we have obtained again quadratic equation in r. What is r? That we require here. We have taken r is the range, and solving for r we get r here. R is therefore minus b 4a cos alpha plus or minus root of b square 16 cos square alpha into a square minus 4a plus 16a square upon 2. Now by solving this equation for r, we get r. So r is 4a cos alpha plus or minus 4a into square root of, is it cot alpha? It is 4 cot alpha, sorry, not cos, cot alpha it is. 4a cot alpha plus or minus cot square alpha it is. Correct? Cot square alpha. 4a cot alpha plus or minus 4a common, cot square alpha plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore 2a into cot alpha plus or minus 1 plus cot square is cosec square, cosec alpha. So r is, finally we have obtained r is this. Further simplification, r is 2a, cot alpha is cos alpha upon sin alpha plus sin, we take 1 upon sin alpha. So 2a 1 plus cos alpha upon sin alpha. So 2a 2 cos square alpha by 2, 2 sin alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2. I have used here the trigonometric formula. 1 plus cos is 2 cos square, and sin alpha is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. 2 cancels. It is 2a cot alpha by 2. This is the range. I think all have followed this solution, and this completes projectile, this topic. Thus 2 topics are completed: expression for radial transverse velocities and accelerations, and problems on that topic. Second is projectile. In this topic, 2 derivations are important. What are that? First is equation of the path of the projectile is a parabola. Then what is the expression for horizontal range? Then time of flight, maximum horizontal range, and greatest height reached by the particle. And problems. See, now from my examination point of view, from this topic you will get one derivation, always one derivation, and usually two problems. For part 2 one problem, part 3 another problem. Totally 15 mark question is appears. 15 mark question appears. You can expect 3 questions from this. And for 2 marks, sometimes definition may be asked. What is projectile? Define time of flight. What is horizontal range? This type of question may be asked. Okay, I continue in the next video. I start next topic, that is central orbits. Central orbits. Okay, thank you.